All right, that was my red enchilada sauce and my corn tortillas on the bottom of my grease 9x13. Next, I'm coming in with a whole package of breakfast sausage that we cooked up, and we're adding that all on top of our tortillas with that enchilada sauce. Now, you can do a green enchilada sauce, but I love the red. I just think it is a lot more flavorful. All right, we have that in there, and we're gonna spread that on top of our tortillas, making sure that we have it in one whole layer and each piece gets a bite of our sausage. Next, I'm bringing in 8 eggs that I scrambled and cooked, and you wanna make sure that these are a little bit underdone so that they don't get overcooked when we put this in the oven. But this is gonna be so delicious. You can add a little bit of milk or heavy cream to your eggs if you want them to be fluffy. You can even add some water, but we're just spreading that out right on top of our sausage so that each bite gets some egg in it as well. This is such a yummy and delicious breakfast casserole. Okay, I think that looks like it is spread enough.
Yum.
Now I'm coming in with my pre-cooked bacon, and we're gonna go ahead and chop up our bacon right into our dish. Now you can just use the breakfast sausage, you could use some chorizo, you could use some ham, but I love the combination of sausage with bacon. I just think it really takes this breakfast to the next level. This is such a great breakfast for Sunday brunch, Saturday breakfast, whatever you want to make it for. People go crazy over it because it has so much flavor. It's so yummy, and it can serve a good amount of people. And this was just about 5 pieces of bacon that we're chopping up, and we're kind of just making sure it gets spread out just like we did with all of our ingredients here. Yum, this is looking good. Okay. Perfect. Now I have here some potato crisps, and we are just kind of plopping those right on there. I did just take them out of the oven because I wanted them to be nice and crispy before going into our breakfast, but you can use some diced potatoes, you can use some tater tots, but I just love these for breakfast specifically, and I think I'm just gonna do about that many, and then I'm gonna save the rest for me to eat on.
Yum.
All right. Go ahead and get that spread out. Oh, look how beautifully crispy those were. They cooked up so fast too. Now we wanna make sure everything is pre-cooked because we don't want any rawness in our breakfast, because this is only gonna go in the oven for super fast. All right, beautiful. Now I'm coming in with my taco seasoning, and we're just gonna do a light sprinkle of this on top of our entire dish. You can use whatever seasoning you like. I just think that we wanna stick with this kind of more Mexican inspired dish. All right, that looks good. All right, now this is optional, but I'm gonna add some green chilies. I just think this is gonna add a nice little punch to this, kind of just really elevate this and make it like more fresh, more flavorful, everything you want in a breakfast. And we're just layering everything up on top. That's the best thing about this, is you just layer it on. It's not complicated. Literally anyone can make this breakfast, and that is the beauty of it. Now I'm gonna add another layer of our yellow corn tortillas, and this is the super sized tortillas, and we're kind of just doing the same thing, just 4 tortillas, I think, or maybe we might need to do some extra ones here because it's a little bit wider, but maybe we'll just cut this one in half. Super gentle, and put that right there. Beautiful. We're going back in with our enchilada sauce. We only used about 1/3 of that for the bottom of this, and now we're just adding another layer just like so. Okay, that looks delicious. Spread that out. This is gonna be so moist, so good. If you love enchilada sauce, this is for you. Obviously, you can make a homemade enchilada sauce, but I like to keep it simple. Now, last but certainly not least, our Mexican style cheese. And we're gonna use this whole bag of cheese because I love cheese. And this is almost ready. This is the last ingredient, and this is going into the oven. We want that cheese to get nice and crispy. We want everything to get heated up. We want those tortillas to get nice and soft, almost like a enchilada, you know what I'm saying? But that looks delicious. All right, this is ready. My oven is set to 375, and this is gonna bake for 25 minutes. All right, we just took this out of the oven and let it cool down. It is time to dig in. Oh my gosh, that cheese looks so good. And we're gonna cut a slice. I like to let it cool so that the cheese just doesn't slip and slide to one side if you know what I'm talking about. All right, get our spatula underneath there. Oh, and look at that beefy breakfast. Oh, this is gonna be delicious. And I have some sour cream. This is optional. A dollop of daisy goes a long way. It is time to give this a try. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Get all of the goodness. Those tortillas are nice and soft now.
Good.
Oh yeah, that is so good. You guys are gonna love it.